your next getaway? Let's settle the travel debate. Luggage sets versus individual suitcases. Which is best for your style? Luggage sets are a smart buy. They're cost-effective, look great, and give you sizes for every trip, from weekend getaways to family holidays. But you might not use every piece, and buying a full set locks you into one design, even if your needs change later. Buying individual suitcases gives you more control. Choose the perfect carry-on, then add a checked bag later. You build your set over time. One big suitcase, easier to manage but heavy. Multiple small bags, more flexible but harder to carry solo. If you want stylish coordination and flexibility, go with a 3-piece set. For freedom and upgrades, mix and match. We recommend the Coolife 3-piece spinner set, durable, TSA locked, and that purple colour. Chef's Kiss, link below to shop. Like, comment and subscribe for more travel tips. What kind of luggage do you use?